Daru Island has been under the microscope of the health department and non-government organizations since 2007. With the outbreak of tuberculosis on the island and with increased cases of drug-resistant TB, the PNG government has promised millions of kina for fighting the epidemic, but to date the funds have yet to be fully released. Since 2011, the TB epidemic has grown worse on the island. About 60% of patients who are on 6 months treatment in 2011 have failed to follow up and get the regular medication. This has resulted in a growing number of drug-resistant TB cases, but until last year, the results have improved. The detection rate has improved and many of the patients have been put on medication, some on direct observation.
All diagnosed patients were put on treatment in accordance to international standard and less than 3% loss to follow up at 6 months, which is a major achievement in case holding and in comparison to 2011 cohort where more than 60% cases were lost to follow up. That's a dramatic change and dramatic progress.
The improvement on TB diagnosis, treatment and care came as a result of a collaborative approach taken by the health department, NGOs and the Australian government.
I would like to say my sincere thanks to the Australian government to come in a very big way to support us to get this program going, and also we like to the National Department of Health. I think the standards has been failed terribly over the years by the team leaders who have been taking on the show, and now we are here to close the gap.
World Vision is providing free lunch and extended treatment sites to 5 locations on the island.
And we've seen progress because of the collective work that's been done by the broad team here and other people who are not here in this room.
The Australian government has spent a significant amount on addressing TB alone.
The Australian government is funding many of the institutions and the responses, and we will continue with our support. From 2011 to 2017, we've committed to $60 million to Papua New Guinea TB responses.
Last Tuesday, the Daru Island community celebrated the World TB Day with the team Unite to End TB. Currently, there are 165 multi-drug resistant TB patients actively on medication on the island. Quinten Alomp, National MTV News.